Roger here with the Townsend team outside of our newest listing. The spring market is fully here and we are starting it off with a showpiece property. If you're interested in seeing this property, give me a call, 647-360-5900, or send me a text. In the meantime, I'm going to get Dondre to show it to you. Let us know what you think in the comments below.
Hello everyone, Dondre Homer here with the Elite Realty Group. I'm here at our newest listing, 28 AMBOISE Crescent. This spectacular home is perfect for anyone with stainless steel appliances, incredible finishes, as well as direct access to the balcony through the family room. So if you want any more information, feel free to give me a call at 647-360-4492, or you can shoot me an email at dondre@townsendteam.ca.